to check Union Bank statement on phone, you can check your Union Bank statement on phone by the Vium mobile app or through your SMS as well. So if you want to use the Vium mobile app, you need to download and log in the Union Bank Vium app and log in with your PIN or biometric. After which, you just want to go to the savings account or just go to account and operative account as well. Then you want to select the statement. Just simply tap onto the statement option, choose your date range, last month, and all that stuff, or you could also customize it. Select PDF to download and use the password. That could be a full letter of your name in a caps plus date of birth as well. To open the locked file in your phone's file manager, you could just simply press that up and you should be able to check Union Bank statement on phone. And if you want to use SMS banking, you could send the SMS by typing in UMNS. So what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and open up your messaging app on your device and type in. You could select started. You could type into who. So you want to type in the number that is 099 or 022 300 8486. And you could just simply select that and then you could type in this UMNS, and that's how you're going to check Union Bank statement on phone. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.